On the behalf of Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, Government Polytechnic Hingoli, I, Iqrar Khan, lecturer in electronics, welcomes you all in inaugural session of 4-week faculty development program on communication skills and personality development, approved by DT, IST and MSBT. As we all know, during this pandemic situation of COVID-19, we all are doing our all work through online mode, like teaching, learning, training, all works we are learning and doing through online mode. Following the same, let us begin this wonderful inaugural session with online presence and encouraging words by our dignitaries. It is a matter of credit and pleasure for our institute that we are having 3 distinguished personalities with us for this academic initiative. That is Dr. Suresh Yawalkar sir, Joint Director, Technical Education, Mumbai; Dr. Pratap Singh Desai sir, President, IST, New Delhi; and Dr. VR Jadhav sir, Secretary, MSBT, Mumbai. May I now connect you all with our first dignitary in this inaugural session, that is Dr. Suresh Yawalkar sir, Joint Director, Technical Education, Mumbai. Being a highly qualified academician with BE, ME and PhD in civil engineering, sir is an exemplary leader with a very positive mindset and continuous support to all of us. He has worked on different administrative positions like Head of the Department, Principal of the Institute, Deputy Director, Assistant Director and Deputy Secretary of Technical Education. He has visited several countries like Canada, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Netherlands, Thailand for various projects on state and national level. Especially, I would like to mention that he has worked as an organizer for national level workshop under Canada-India Industry Linkage Project. I thank sir for all his support and request him to bless all of us through his encouraging words.
Good morning all of you. Principal of Government Polytechnic Hingoli, Dr. Ranjit Sawant, Program Coordinator, faculties and dear participant friends. It is both an honor and a privilege to be here with you online today for the inaugural function of 4-week online faculty development program on communication skill and personality development training program organized by Government Polytechnic Hingoli and approved by DT, MSBT and IST. I congratulate the organizers for choosing this important topic for interaction, which I feel is very much essential and important for a faculty, especially for newly recruited faculty. Secondly, I appreciate the initiative taken by Dr. Sawant to organize online training program and that too on open source platform. As everyone knows, MOOC is an open source platform and free to all. One should promote the use of open source. Very few institutions are taking advantage of MOOC. In fact, this is a very useful and convenient tool to conduct online classes. On the background of COVID-19 pandemic situation, most of the universities and educational institutions are switching over to online teaching learning process. Honorable Secretary Sri Saurabh Vijay and Honorable Director Dr. Abhay Wagh has appealed to all institutions to make use of technology and conduct online teaching during the lockdown period. I am happy to share that in response to the Honorable Director's appeal, Nearly 3,600 faculties from 100 plus government and aided institutions conducted online classes through various ICT modes. To monitor work from home activities, DT has developed a web portal, WFH portal, which has access to all faculties, heads of the departments, principals, and administrators like joint director and director. You will be surprised to know that during the lockdown period, nearly 15,000 plus online activities such as online classes, online seminars, workshops, virtual labs, quiz, assignments, and online tests were conducted for students by more than 3,600. Massive open online courses, that is MOOC, offers accessible and affordable remote learning opportunities to students all over the world. Many famous higher education institutions, including Harvard University and the MIT, deliver these online courses on a variety of topics and at a variety of educational levels. There are various MOOC platforms to take online courses such as Coursera, edX, FutureLearn, Canvas Network, Iversity, Khan Academy, and many more. Here, I would like to share my experience about Coursera. My son, Vaibhav Yavalkar, is a professor in engineering institution, was doing some online courses on Coursera, which are free. With his inspiration and as a curiosity, I joined one Coursera program, namely Foundation of Everyday Leadership. This course was very good and informative. I completed and got the certificate of University of Illinois, USA, which has tempted me to enroll for another course. And likewise, I have completed 9 different courses and 4 are still in progress. So on this occasion, I recommend that every faculty should enroll for at least one Coursera program and take a test of it. You will become mad to complete it and many more. So I call it as Coursera. Good teaching results in effective learning. If students have not learned, the teaching has failed, regardless of the stellar performance of the teacher. Many teachers use state-of-art teaching methods, but learning fails because they fail to address the student needs with appropriate curricula and pedagogy. To facilitate effective learning, faculty must assess students' IQ, that is intelligence quotient, EQ, emotional quotient, AQ, adversity quotient, and SQ is spiritual quotient. And then appropriately match curricula and pedagogy to learners' needs, thereby facilitating optimum development of souls and spirits for service to God and others. I really appreciate that you have added IQ and EQ in this course content apart from the basic communication skills, leadership development, developing personality and stress management, and lifelong learning and so. Here, I would like to suggest to add other aspects also, such as adversity quotient, AQ, and spiritual quotient, SQ, which is very important and plays a major role in personality development. Lastly, I wish a grand success of the online training program and all the best to the participants. I am thankful to the principal Dr. Ranjit Sawant for inviting me to this function and giving me an opportunity to interact with you all. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.